Hey guys, I want to make a short video to kind of show you how the project that you make compares to other people in the class. Now obviously I'm aware that this is a freshman class and you're not going to be making Mass Effect or anything like that. But I just kind of want to show you like how your stuff compares to everybody else. I'm not trying to like make fun of anybody. And also what a 13-year-old kind of thinks of your game. So here's the first one, Maze Game. We're going to play. And I'll let you see what he says. Right, here we go.
Ooh.
Now, it's a maze. You gotta walk around. Could use some textures on those walls. And the walls need to go all the way down to the ground.
Yeah, because I can, like, peek.
That's kind of weird.
Walls.
I can't say really peek, but you can.
Yeah.
It's kind of annoying.
My OCD's kicking. Bye-bye. So, yeah, definitely the walls, but...
And I hate that walking sound. So they need to fix that.
Got them.
There should be 2 more.
Well, hi there, buddy. That's another thing. You can shoot through the walls and see through the walls.
Well, there's also no counter on the ammo. So, like, you don't know how much ammo you got. Apparently, you have unlimited. I don't think you're shooting through the walls. I think you're shooting through the cracks. And those are just where the walls just weren't placed properly. Go find the last one, man.
That's what I'm looking for. Where's he at? Oh my gosh, that walking noise is like giving me...
Wow, that's a standard walking noise.
There he is. Oh, hi there.
So cool. How would you improve that game?
Well, make sure that like the walls are all the way down. Make sure you can't see through them like this.
So put the walls together. So what would you add if that was your game?
Add textures to the walls. Not this.
All right, I already said that. Come on, something you. What about inventory? What about some pickups like for ammo and health and stuff?
Well, it would be kind of cool if the skeletons were like hunting you, not just standing still. That'd be nice.
And some AI. Cool.
Exactly.
All right, let's do the next one. All right, here's the second one. Now, I'm doing this in the version 2017.2, so if your graphics or something doesn't look quite right, I'm not taking any points off for that.
Pew pew. Whoa.
Yeah, that was kind of weird.
I like the gun though. You're shooting balls all over the place. Ooh. It's like parkour or something.
You suck.
Yes, I do.
Try hitting E on the door, see if maybe that makes it open, or maybe you have to go over the ramp to get over that.
Well, I suck at parkour, so we're gonna be here for a while.
Parkour, motherfucker.
Pew pew.
You gotta find the skellies.
Oh my gosh, I suck at this. Oh my gosh, why am I so bad at this?
I just had
Dude,
my
you're not even hitting. Like you're way off to the left.
I know. Well, look at my shadow. Oh wait, now it's just a gun. I saw like.
Dude, that's all you are. In most games where you can't see your
Whoa,
body,
I'm not tripping.
that's all you are is a gun.
I want to like. There we go. What the heck?
Try jumping on one of those boxes, the red, green, and blue.
Ooh, maybe that'll do something.
That'll give me have cool hair.
Yeah, you have cool hair, all right.
Okay. Yeah. Hey.
Yeah, you jump as bad as your dad.
Oh.
Ooh, did you just fall through the floor?
Yep.
Yeah, that's ooh, got some collider issues. Now go now see if you can go underneath there and go to the next place. Nope. That's weird. Must just be one collider issue. It's weird how some balls stick to the wall and some balls like bounce.
Stick. Bounce. Stick. There's like an invisible wall here I keep on getting stuck on.
That's probably why you fall through the floor.
Yep.
What the? Why is the ball blinking like that?
Strobe light.
Ah!
Cover that thing up. Get out of here. Oh my gosh. Well, this is a very interesting thing.
Alright, let's move on to the next one. That's just it. Alright, game number 3.
Alright, let's see. Ooh. This looks like a game. Ooh. Ah! Die, please. Can't aim.
See if you can come up behind somebody and see if it's directional or if there's just a big circle, and if you get close, they attack. There you go.
Dude, I'm
Cool.
a bad
It's
person.
the way it should be. Like, normally your AI, you want them to look at you, like, if they had to be looking at you in order for them to come at you.
Yeah.
So slowly walk around and see where it is where he's triggers to see you. Okay.
Ah! You gonna do anything to me?
Okay. What the? Oh, that's your health bar.
Oh, shoot.
Having that in the middle is kind of weird.
Okay. Very interesting. I don't
The
see
terrain's
any...
nice. I just don't like the flat ground. Obviously, most ground, unless you live in Iowa, not that flat. I like the AI. I think he did a good job there.
Yes.
I like the health bar. I just
some
wish
of
it
them
was.
like this are just floating up in the air, though. But that's
Yeah, that's just
doesn't matter.
how you place them. It's sometimes
Shoot
hard
my
to see
butt.
whether it's on there.
Got my butt.
Great, you're a butt shooter. Oh, do me a favor, hit the ground or shoot a tree again. There's no impact marker like where the bullets go. So if I was going to fix this or change this, I would make the ground a little bit more rolly and stuff, not just so flat. I'd put some kind of hit marker. I'd move the health thing left or right somewhere, maybe in the bottom.
Maybe add some like limited ammo. Oh, okay. So the side work. So it's the side.
Yeah,
as
usually
well.
there's like a 45-degree angle in front of them that you want to trigger, and so he did a good job with that. I like the lighting. I think it's cool that it's kind of like dusk and evening-y and.
Like, hi there. Very nice. I like
No,
this.
don't go jump ride.
Go out and see how far you can run out and
Whee!
see what's over there. If you see water or it's just flat and then it ends.
Oh, I can't go any further than this.
Okay, so he's got like an artificial barrier up.
Huh, I'm like a little pillow person.
Your capsule.
And look, there were 3
Connor, shut
areas.
up.
Alright, let's move on to the next one.
Yeet.
Alright, game number 4.
Ooh.
So what's your first thoughts?
I like the 3D camera.
You like the third person.
Yeah.
Do you think the cameras are like too far back?
No, I think it's fine. Hello, camera. Hello.
Now see, when you walk up to a bush, obviously you get all the fruit.
Ooh,
So you don't have to do anything, you just have to walk up. I do like the assets he picked out for the bushes and trees.
Give me all your fruits. Got 12 bananas from that one.
12 nanas.
Oh, give me all your apples.
This must be like Fruit Finder.
Yes. Got 23 apples.
Jump up from there, see if you get any extra apple. Oh yeah, now you got 27.
What do you
That's
get?
cool. So it's a nice way, like for the resource system, like you know how to grab things off of different things for resources.
Yeah.
I'm not thrilled about the ground texture. Like it should have been like in a forest or something.
Yeah. But
And
still.
outside, it's still kind of weird. The half wall, like where's the sky box? How come there's no sky? What's going on?
Ooh. I got all the fruits.
You got some kiwis, motherfucker.
Kiwis. Oh, let me get out. Ah, I'm stuck. Everything. Here we go.
Now, if you just throw them up and cut them with a sword, you'd have like a little fruit ninja. Are you stuck again?
Yep.
Alright, let's move on to the next one. Alright, this one's kind of weird. There's like a ground inside the map, and he tried to do a hill to kind of separate it, but when you play it, let me make sure this is on maximize. So I like this part. Go ahead and hit play.
Alright.
And then walk straight. Yeah, see how it looks though. Now you're falling underneath the map.
I can go under the map now.
Go up to a bush and stare at it. Yeah, all right. I like how we've got movement. That's good.
Yes, that's very good. Pew pew.
No no UI like for how much bullets or if you hit something or damage or.
Nope.
the scene here looks like, I like the skybox. I think that's a good pick.
Yes.
I like the lighting. I like the all the textures he picked for the force and stuff. That was some nice assets.
Yes.
Apparently there's no collider on that well.
Nope.
Walk through that again. Hey,
Let me get some water.
little kids can fall in there, man. Put your colliders on there.
It's like,
All right, make sure all the trees are touching the ground. Okay.
but is it like, why do we have a pistol if there's nothing to shoot?
I don't know.
Let's follow the
Shoot the trees, man. All right, no impact marker. You understand what I'm saying with an impact marker?
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
you
yeah.
see the little bullet holes hitting or whatever.
Oh, that goes through the trees. Never mind. Just
Slacker.
tripping.
You're tripping, motherfucker.
This road just dies off once it hits the hill.
See, now that was a good overlay, like the transition into the flat part or whatever.
But then,
Oh, no, it's not, because you can just jump over and look around and turn around. What the? It's like he found a map, and then he put like a little piece of map over top of that map.
exactly.
Nice.
Now I'm back in.
So I don't know what you're supposed to do here, other than just run around and shoot the trees.
Exactly.
Die, tree! Alright, is that tree? Okay. For some reason, it didn't look like it was touching the ground.
Die, Lorax.
Die, Lorax. Nice. Excuse me.
Nothing really much to do here.
Nope. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Alright, so the instructions for this game are shoot all the pigs, then go back to where you spawned and shoot the floor. Go through the fence, over the bridge and the pond, you'll reach Big Porker, sorry. Once you land 10 hits on him, you've defeated him. You need to claim your gold. Shoot the floor 3 times to unlock the maze. Search the maze. Ooh, looks very interesting. Alright, so hit play when you're ready.
Alright, let's do this.
Oh, okay. Wait, it's a space game. This isn't the game I thought we were playing. Where's the pigmen at?
Yeah.
What the?
Wrong game.
Did I open the
question
wrong
mark?
game? No, I mean it says the right. That's weird. Maybe he submitted the wrong one. Game over, man.
Can I respawn now?
You need
Respawn
to
me.
hit escape and fire that off again.
Can't shoot.
Oh. Apparently you just run away.
Well,
I don't know if that's the right thing. It obviously this doesn't match the directions.
nope. Where's the pigman at?
I want a pigman. Don't let them touch you. They got cooties. They got the cheese touch. Oh, you got cheese touched.
It's at this point, it's just like 50 ships is impossible to maneuver.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, there needs to be some kind of score like that you stayed time or something like that. All right, let's figure out what. All right, this is one, like a student had asked me if they could just make changes to the Unity tutorial that they had already submitted, and I allowed them to. So go ahead and play.
Alright, let's do this.
You're gonna die. Sounds like it's saying Mork. You're just gonna sit in the corner like that? Come on, vagina, get in there. Lay down some suppressive fire. Yeah, in the original tutorial, I think you just have asteroids that come down.
Exactly.
So she added the ships, and the ships are shooting. That's pretty cool.
No!
Oh, you got fricked up, mother. All right, and here's the last one.
Alright. I like the music. Music is a very nice touch.
Yeah.
Can I jump?
No jump. Does it jump?
Nope.
What? No jump? What a ripoff.
Whee. The only things I can do is the VSMD so far.
All right, are the walls? It says ever-changing maze. So is it changing on you? Have you noticed anything?
Nope.
All right, let me pause this and we'll go find his instructions. All right, so we can't look up. And the mouse does. Oh, it just the door closes behind you.
Love this jazz.
If that closes on you, let's see. Oh, it does. Nice.
Ooh.
That didn't close. I thought that was gonna do something. Yeah, we need to talk to this guy about his music choice. Oh, I blocked us. All right, that's cool. So that's kind of neat.
Give him an A just for the music.
All right, I'm not giving an A for the music.
Yes, we are.
All right, so that's it for the project for the class. So remember, if you have any questions or whatever, let me know. Obviously, I'm not taking off any points for graphical glitches, things like that that were maybe because I opened them in a different version of Unity. So other than that, have a great